Hello friends, welcome to Migrate to Digital. In today's video, we are going to see the tool which helps you to create a great LinkedIn profile. Why LinkedIn? You may be an entrepreneur, job hunter or a fresher. LinkedIn will help you to grow your professional network in internet. You will be able to gain exposure to hiring managers, recruiters and your potential clients, and you will be able to demonstrate your knowledge, credibility and leadership expertise. Third point is you can gain social proof for your skills and talents. Obviously, you will be able to get insights from professionals already working in your industry. At last, by joining in LinkedIn groups, you will be able to meet like-minded people which will help for your future collaboration. The tool is called Resume Worded. I'd given the link in the description. You can go through it. Before going to the site, convert your LinkedIn profile into PDF format. To do that, you click on your profile, click on more and click on save to PDF. So your complete LinkedIn profile will get saved in your local drive in a PDF format. Click on LinkedIn profile review. So once you clicked on, it will ask you to upload your profile in their Resume Worded website. So I am uploading my profile here, that is whichever is downloaded from LinkedIn. Once I uploaded it here, the system will completely analyze my profile and from headline to summary, experience, everything, and evaluate, and it will give me a score. Once the system completely analyzed the profile, it will give you a score for your LinkedIn profile. Here my score is 55 out of 100. So I want to see which are all my area of improvement. If you scroll down, you will be able to see which are all the areas you can improve to increase your score. So here I got 10 out of 10 for headline and 0 for summary and 6 for experience out of 10, and education is 10 out of 10. Using LinkedIn summary generator, I am generating a new summary for my LinkedIn profile and editing in the Word document. After edition, I am going to my LinkedIn profile, doing a grammatical check, and I am uploading it there, and I am saving a new profile in a PDF format. So I am clicking on edit, removing my old summary, pasting my new job profile summary, doing some grammatical corrections there in my profile, that is in my summary, and I am saving the profile. Now I am downloading this in a PDF format. Now again I am going to Resume Worded site to reanalyze my profile which is recently updated. So I am going to the site and I am clicking on LinkedIn review. So I am uploading my new profile to reanalyze to understand the score of my profile, score of my LinkedIn profile. So I uploaded, system is loading my profile, it is pricing my profile and identifying the headlines. A complete re-evaluation is happening. So let us see what is the score. So I am also very eager to know what is my score. So another 2 seconds. Yeah. So my score is 74. So within a fraction of 10 minutes, I am able to increase my LinkedIn score with the help of this tool. I hope this will be useful for you. If you think this is useful, please share and subscribe our channel